In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use rules to automate transactions in QuickBooks Online. We'll walk through creating and managing rules so QuickBooks can handle repetitive bank transactions for you. This helps clean up your books faster and reduces manual data entry mistakes. Start by logging in to QuickBooks Online using your browser. Once you're in, look to the left side menu and open Accounting, then select Rules. This is your hub for creating, viewing, and maintaining all your automation rules. Click the New Rule button in the top right. Give your rule a clear, descriptive name so you can recognize it later, like a vendor or purpose. Next, choose whether the rule applies to money in for deposits or money out for payments and expenses. This setting tells QuickBooks which direction of cash flow to look for. Select the bank account or accounts where you want this rule to run. If the same pattern appears across multiple connected accounts, you can apply it to all relevant ones here. Now set the conditions that will trigger the rule. You can base them on description contains or does not contain, which looks at the bank feed description after QuickBooks processes it, bank text contains or does not contain, which reads the raw text coming from your bank, and amount is or is not for exact amounts. Use wording that's specific enough to catch the intended transactions, but not so narrow that it misses legitimate matches. For example, including a unique vendor name often works well, while extremely common words may create false matches. In the Then section, tell QuickBooks what to do when those conditions are met. Choose the transaction type such as expense, check, or deposit, so the entry is created correctly. Pick the category or account where the transaction should be posted, like an expense account or income category. You can add a payee if you want consistent vendor tracking, and set tax if applicable to your region and reporting needs. If you're confident in the rule, you can check Automatically Confirm Transactions this rule applies to. This will auto-add matching transactions to your books. If you're just getting started, consider leaving it unchecked so you can review matches in the For Review tab before they post. Click Save to activate the rule. Your new rule will now appear in the Rules list. To adjust a rule later, find it in the list and open the Actions drop-down. Then choose Edit. To remove a rule you no longer need, use the Actions drop-down and select Delete. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.